Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger not showing your active friends. This is a common issue that happens when your active status gets turned off, either accidentally or after an app update. The good news is it's super easy to fix on both your computer and mobile device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, let's fix this on your computer through the Messenger website. On the lower right corner of your screen, you'll see a menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a panel with various options for managing your Messenger settings and preferences. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This is where you can control all the important features of your Messenger account, including privacy options and notification preferences. Finding the right setting here is key to getting your active friends list back. Now, look for the option labeled Active Status and click on it. You'll see a toggle switch that you need to turn on. This setting controls whether others can see when you're online and whether you can see when your friends are active. Once you enable it, your active friends should start appearing in your chat list again almost immediately. Next, we need to make the same change on your mobile device to ensure everything syncs properly. Open your Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the main feed, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can access various account settings. On your profile page, you'll notice 3 horizontal lines at the top of the screen. This is often called the menu or hamburger icon. Tap on it to reveal a list of options and features within the Facebook app. From this menu, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy, then tap on it. This will expand into a submenu with additional options. Now tap on Settings to access all your account configuration options. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a search bar at the very top. Tap on it and type in Active Status. This search function makes it quick and easy to find specific settings without scrolling through endless menus. The search results will show you the Active Status option. Tap on it and you'll see a toggle button. Make sure to turn it on by tapping the toggle switch. This ensures that your active status is enabled on the Facebook app as well, which directly affects what you see in Messenger. And that's it. You've now fixed the issue on both your computer and mobile device. Your active friends should now appear in your Messenger chat list, and you'll be able to see who's online and available to chat. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.